Opposition MDC Alliance leader Nelson Chamisa has said he is saddened by the death of prominent Zimbabwean human rights advocate Dewa Mavhinga. Mavhinga, who was Southern Africa director at Human Rights Watch, died on Saturday following COVID-19 complications. He was 41. Chamisa, who is on a countrywide tour mobilizing supporters ahead of 2023 elections, said he was gutted by Mavhinga's sudden death. "I'm in the countryside, yet so gutted and deeply devastated. Death is always an unbearable blow. We've lost an intelligent patriot, rights defender and a solid Democrat. A key in the struggle for freedom in Zimbabwe. Condolences to his beloved wife Fiona and the entire family. Rip my bro," Chamisa said. While he has been reported to have succumbed to COVID-19, Mavhinga's family and friends are also waiting for post-mortem results to determine the real cause of the death. Human Rights Watch Executive Director Kenneth Roth paid tribute to Mavhinga for fighting for justice in Zimbabwe. Dewa was a deeply empathetic and highly effective human rights activist whose work made many people's lives better, whether it was pushing the Zimbabwe government to respect the right to protest in the face of economic hardship or ensuring that victims of human rights abuses across southern Africa have access to justice, Roth said. Mosi Segan, Africa director at Human Rights Watch, said, "We have lost a true gem, a treasure of a person and colleague. We're devastated by Dewa's passing. One of the late pro-democracy activists' friend Lance Guma said, "The death of prominent human rights activist and dear friend at Dewa Mavhinga is truly painful to process. We came a long way, my friend. To your family I say sincere condolences. We have lost a towering figure in the human rights world." At HRW at Pedzisirohanya at Nalsanchamisa. Open Society Initiative for Southern Africa Director Sifasami Malunga said he was devastated by Mavhinga's death. "I'm devastated and heartbroken by this horrible news. Dewa reached out a few weeks ago to discuss support for a victim in Eswatini, a school kid shot by the police and paralyzed. Before that he spoke at Brookings Institute about our politically motivated farm acquisition. A hero. Number Dewa," he said.